Lesson 6-4 deals with journalizing and posting adjusting entries. Adjustments are planned for on the worksheet. However, these adjustments must be journalized so that they can be posted to the general ledger accounts. Journal entries recorded to update general ledger accounts at the end of the fiscal period are called your adjusting entries. Adjusting entries are recorded on the next journal page following the monthly entries. So you've already finished your fiscal period, you've double ruled, you've done all your posting. Now it's time to record our adjusting entries. We flip to the next page in our journal and we're going to record them there. Information necessary for these entries are found on your adjustments column of your worksheet. We just prepared your worksheet. You have your adjustments column with your small a's and small b's that recorded your adjustments. To record your adjustments, the first step is to write the heading. Now we're in our journal. We're going to write the heading. It's going to be centered. We're going to write the words adjusting entries. Like I told you before, everything that's entered in your journal must have a source document. For adjusting entries, it's a procedure you do at the end of the fiscal period. So instead of a source document, we have a heading that says adjusting entries, telling you what you're doing right there. Number 2 is we're going to write the date. Since we are at the top of the journal page, we're going to write January 31st and then the year. Number 3 is we're going to write our debit. You can see the debit right here goes to supply expense. So we have supply expense, $530. We're going to write our credit entry, which goes to supplies. So therefore, supplies will be credited for $530. And again, there is no source document because this is just a procedure at the end of the fiscal period. Adjusting entry for prepaid insurance, basically the same thing. We will write the date, the 31st. Our debit entry here goes to insurance expense, debit, prepaid insurance will be credited. This is what our general ledger accounts look like after our posting entries. You can see that our supplies is bought up to date with the actual amount of $90. Prepaid insurance, that is the true value of our prepaid insurance after posting. Our insurance expense shows that we used up $150 worth of insurance during the fiscal period, and our supply expense shows that we used $530 worth of supplies during the fiscal period.